In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get API keys and tokens for Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account settings, how to create a token, and how to store it safely so you can use it in your integrations and automations. Start by heading to Trello.com and sign into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on Trello, look to the top right of the page and click your profile avatar. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Account. This opens your Atlassian account settings in a new page, which is where Trello stores security options for tokens. In your Atlassian account, find the security section in the sidebar and click it. On this page, scroll until you see the area for API tokens. Select the option labeled Create and Manage API Tokens. For security, Atlassian may ask you to confirm it's really you. When prompted, enter the verification code sent to your chosen method, then click Verify to continue. You'll now be on the API Tokens management page. Click Create API Token. A small window will ask for a name. Give your token a clear, descriptive name that reminds you what it's for, like the tool or project that will use it. If you see a date option, choose an expiration that matches how long you expect to need the token. Shorter lifespans are a good practice because they make rotation easier and reduce risk if the token is ever exposed. When you're ready, click Create. Atlassian will generate your token and show it to you. Click Copy to copy the token to your clipboard. Treat this like a password. You'll typically only see the full value once, so immediately store it somewhere secure, such as a password manager or a protected environment variable in your development or automation platform. Avoid sharing it in chats, screenshots, or code repositories. That's it. You've created an API token you can use when authenticating tools and scripts that interact with Trello. If a tool asks for an API token or an API key for Trello, this is the credential it's referring to. If later you need to rotate or revoke access, return to the same API tokens page in your Atlassian security settings to create a new token or delete an existing one. To recap, you went to Trello, opened your account settings, navigated to security, selected the API tokens area, verified your identity, created a token with a helpful name and optional expiry, and copied it securely. Follow these exact steps each time you need a fresh token, and you'll keep your integrations both functional and safe.